Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Eastern Bluebird in Heartopia. You'll need to be level 8 of the bird watching hobby, and it spawns all day, every single day, if there's the rainbow or rainy weather. It appears in the suburbs area, and I couldn't find it first when it was the rainy weather, but I did find it when it was the rainbow weather. It did take me a few minutes to find. Took me like 5 minutes-ish. I did have to go to the suburbs area like a few times. Like I just went around and looked for bluebirds basically. I even rode a roller coaster because I saw it and I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just going to ride a roller coaster and then hopefully I'll find the Eastern Bluebird, which I did. So don't try hard looking for the bird, okay? Just do some other stuff first and then it's just going to appear out of nowhere magically. But yeah, after I rode the roller coaster, I found the Eastern Bluebird in this area. Again, it's going to be random and you just have to be kind of patient for it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!